talking about myself and my city. Hello, my name is Vivian Acosta. I am from Ibagué. I am 40 years old. I am biologist and I work in Cortolima. I am studying agronomy at UNAD. I am married and have two children. In my free time, I like playing with my sons, go to the gym, and ride cycle. I live in Ibagué. Ibagué is the capital of Tolima and this is called the musical city of Colombia. Here there are many places to visit and activities to do. People usually go to the Conveima Canyon. There you can visit restaurants, eat typical food, tamal, lechona, sancocho of chicken, arepa, and others. Or people can go for walk and go cycling. All people can do other activities in Ibagué, such as travel around the streets and visit at parks and shopping centers. Also, you can go to the concerts. If you like the music, the culture, and the folklore, here in Ibagué there are two important events: the Colombian Folkloric Festival and the National Festival of the Colombian Music. So you can come enjoy all the activities of this festival. That's it. Thank you.